How to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide I'll show you how can you fix Wi-Fi not connecting to Android device. Now for that, what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to start the router. So basically sometimes the issue might be from the router itself, so you want to make sure to restart the router and try logging in and see whether you're able to fix the internet connection or not. However, if the issue still persists on, what next you could do is simply go to the settings, and here you want to go ahead and click on network and internet, after which what next you want to do is you want to go ahead and select the particular network that you're connected to, and you could simply go ahead and click on the gear icon and click on forgot. After you've actually done it, so you should be able to then try logging in using or typing in the password once again, and that should be able to help you out. However, if the issue still persists on, then you could also go ahead and reset your network settings. So for that, you want to go to the settings once again, and what next you want to do is you want to go to system. As you go to system, you want to click on reset option, and you want to click on reset mobile network settings. Here what you have to do is you want to click on reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and click on reset. That should be able to fix it. So however, if despite of doing all of these procedure, if nothing seems to be working out, then you could try connecting to a mobile data. That should be able to help you out, and restarting your device can also be an essential way to fix it. So these are some of the ways to fix your Wi-Fi not connecting on Android. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.